Looking at the rear of the DutyVUE HD 1920 below the LCD monitor, you'll notice 4 buttons. This training module will concentrate on giving you an insight on how to effectively utilize these in the operation of the unit. The first button, located to the extreme left in the lineup of 4, is labeled with an H on the button. We sometimes refer to this as the Home key. This button gives you instant access to the unit's menu, which allows custom configuration and programming of the DutyVUE's many features and functions. A single press of the Home or H button will bring up a menu screen offering 2 options. The one at the top is labeled Function and the lower one is labeled System. You can toggle or switch between the 2 choices by using the 3rd and 4th buttons, which are the 2 buttons on the right. Pressing either of these will move the selection highlight to the next choice. Move one of the navigation buttons to highlight the System choice and press the second from the left button labeled OK. You will now be taken to the full System menu listings. Moving the navigating buttons to the left or right will highlight your choice, and pressing the OK will initiate the selection of that menu feature or function. Once you've completed this step, you will be taken to the next series of choices to program that feature. This procedure is standard for making feature and function selections throughout the menu area. Once you've chosen the feature or function you want, simply keep pressing the H or Home key until you're back to the main menu screen. Now we'll concentrate on playing back the recording you'll make on your DutyVUE HD 1920 device. This is one of the most powerful and used features of the unit. Notice the second button from the left labeled OK. If you push this button, it'll automatically take you to the playback screen. Note, it's not necessary to use the H or Home key to reach this screen. Pushing the OK button is all that's required to access the Files menu. Navigating through this menu is identical to the method used earlier. The navigation buttons are used to move up and down to the file names, and the OK button selects your choice. Once you've selected the file to play back, you'll notice that the navigation buttons can be used to adjust the volume during playback mode only. Note, the DutyVUE HD 1920 does not have any button or function allowing you to delete files in the field. This process is maintained under the protocol designated by your agency's body-worn camera standard operating procedures. This concludes our overview of the DutyVUE HD 1920 rear button operation. Please refer to the Digital User's Manual for more detailed information on programming each of the unit's features or functions. It should be noted that changing the configuration of your DutyVUE HD 1920 without the permission of your agency may be against agency policy. Please consult your supervisor prior to making any adjustments to the default factory settings.